Hello friends, and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best home decor ideas and design inspiration. If you're looking to make your home more beautiful and stylish, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to talk about pillow cover designs. You know, even a small change can completely transform the look of your room, and pillow covers play a big role in that. Whether you want to give your living room sofa a fresh new look or bring some elegance to your bedroom, pillow cover designs can be a simple and affordable solution for you. We'll show you a variety of pillow cover designs: classic, modern, traditional, embroidered, and much more. You'll see how the right combination of colors, textures, and patterns can bring life to your space. As we go further into the video, we'll also discuss pillow cover designs that are not just beautiful, but incredibly comfortable as well. Especially if you often have guests over, these designs can help give your home a regal touch. Plus, we'll share some DIY ideas that will allow you to create your own pillow covers and showcase your creativity. So stay with us until the end of this video and find out which pillow cover designs will be the best fit for your home. If you enjoy our video, don't forget to like and share it, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Enjoy!